Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to sell your house fast in Pensacola? Whether it's due to foreclosure, divorce, an inherited property, or just wanting to move on quickly, we're here to help. I'm Kamal with Quality Properties of Northwest Florida, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we help homeowners like you sell fast, in as is condition, without the usual headaches. Who we help. At Quality Properties of Northwest Florida, we specialize in helping homeowners who need a fast, hassle-free sale. Some common situations we work with include foreclosure or behind on payments, unwanted inherited property, tired landlords with bad tenants, vacant or damaged homes, divorce or life transition, relocating quickly for a job or family. No matter the situation, we listen first, then offer real solutions. How it works. We make it simple with our 3-step process. Tell us about your property. You can call us or fill out a short form on our website. We'll gather basic details about your house, no pressure, no obligations. Get a fair, no obligation cash offer. We'll do our homework and give you a fair cash offer based on the condition of your home and the local market. No hidden fees. No commissions. Choose your closing date. If you accept our offer, we close on your timeline, whether that's 7 days or 30. You don't have to fix anything, clean, or worry about repairs. We buy your house as is. We buy houses as is, no repairs needed, you don't have to lift a finger. No cleaning. No agents. No walkthroughs with picky buyers. Just a simple, respectful process to help you move forward. Why people trust us. Local and family owned in Pensacola. Over 36 5-star reviews on Google. Transparent, honest offers. We close with a reputable local title company. Zero fees, zero commissions. Fast closings, flexible terms. Areas we serve. We serve Florida and Alabama states. Ready to sell? Let's talk. If you're ready to sell your home fast in Pensacola or just want to explore your options, give us a call at Quality Properties of Northwest Florida. We'll treat you like family and help you find the best solution for your situation. Call us today at 850-346-4995. Visit qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com.